video, tayo ho ay mukbang or kakain ho tayo ng cherry. O, di ba? Cherries pag marami, medyo marami siya, pero hindi natin ubusin. We'll take it for 2 times, di ba? Healthy po siya, it's good for inflammation at saka good for anti-cancer. Ayan. And good for the heart. Yung ginagamit sa sa mga wine din. Yung mga ginagawa nilang wine. Thank you so much for always watching my simple videos pala sa aking mga kaibigan dyan, mga bagong kakilala, sa aking mga silent viewers, sa aking pamilya, of course, sa lahat ng teams na kahit hindi man active, kaya nandyan pa din sila, and sa lahat ng teams na active pa din ako. Thank you so much, everyone. I cannot name you one by one, pero of course, by teams, shout out Team LC, sa lahat ng Team LC members, and of course, Ate Mila Kusinera, and to my Team Power. Maraming salamat for always supporting Smiling Fish channel, although sa playlist tayo active. Salamat sa inyo, Team Power. And of course, sa ating bagong kapamilya, Team Okra, thank you so much. Sa karamihan na hindi nakakaano sa atin, kadalasan ay busy tayo, pero sana'y makasupport tayo din kahit paminsan-minsan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga community na sinusupport ni Smiling Face channel. Thank you for supporting me also. Sa ating mga foreigners or sa mga kaibigan natin na mga ibang lahi, ayan, Indonesian, Malaysian, ano man ang kanilang mga lahi, ay susupport sila sa atin. Thank you so much. And of course, everyone who have supported Smiling Face channel. And sa mga nahihirapan sa pagtulog, ang cherries daw ay cherries. Kasi marami siya eh. Cherry ay it's good for sleeping problems. Natakam ko kasi nakita ko sa palengke. Sabi ko sa kaibigan ko, bili tayo. So naghati kami. Medyo mahal talaga siya. Pero it's worth it, the price naman. I finished already 4 pieces. Matamis po siya. Kakain tayo ng 10 piraso, hindi ko ito mauubos. Pang 10. And the last one. ang tamis niya. Masarap. Marami pa akong natira. Ayan, nakainin ko ulit later yan. So, thank you for watching. And, yun na nga, nakaubos lang tayo ng 10. Para sa ano naman, pang dinner natin yung mga later. Kasi nahugasan natin siya, kailangan natin ubusin. And that's for my video for today. Para may pang ano lang tayo. And, of course, thank you so much everyone for supporting always Smiley Face channel. So, ayan. Basta 10 lang yung ating kinaya. And later yung iba. So, this is Smiley Face channel. Always saying ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, ano man ang pagsubok na dumating sa ating buhay. Always smile. Para ang buhay ay magaan. Smiley Face channel. Signing off. God bless everyone. See you.
It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend, I'll be your guide. Whenever you need me, I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there is no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark inside world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you